Hello everyone, today I will show you how to uncheck a checklist in Google Docs. First open a Docs file. Now I will add checklist first. Select your text area and click on the checklist option. Here you will find these two kinds of checklist. First one, select here and now check this and see this. Strike through are now added and uncheck this and strike through remove. And second strike through is only strike through. So only checklist, there is no strike through. Again I will add here first strike through and checklist and see this and uncheck this way. Simply click uncheck. In this way you can uncheck all of the checklist or check. Also you can stop this checklist in this way, or you can remove. Click here, checklist will remove. Click here and remove. Also you can uncheck and remove. Yeah. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comments.